So Helligai is based in the northeast of England, near Newcastle. Made Smarter was really paramount in allowing us to acquire new manufacturing equipment. It's an absolute privilege to be here tonight.
We're based in Stockport in Greater Manchester, and one of the projects that we did with Made Smarter, the main one was to introduce an automated packing line into our process. I'm really proud that the business has been recognised by Made Smarter. Not just myself and the other senior management, but all the way through the business, and the whole team have really got on board with the change that we're trying to make.
We couldn't have continued to grow at the level we continue to grow at without the Made Smarter programme. The best thing that it has done is reduced our working capital by £1.3 million.
They are a chocolate manufacturer from York. They're our regional winner from the Yorkshire and Humber. They're a small business, about 11 headcount, and they were one of our early adopters of the Made Smarter programme. Been really successful with it, and a real example of what Made Smarter can do for a small business.
Well, the Made Smarter Awards are tremendously exciting here this evening because it's the culmination of all of the work that's taken place since the 2017 report and the Northwest pilot to really start helping small firms to adopt technology and improve their businesses. And the awards themselves are just such a celebration now of the regions, the best of the regions, coming together here in Liverpool for a final, a national award, which is just brilliant to celebrate, technology adoption, success, business improvement. And we really need these stories because it shows the art of the possible to so many other firms that make up the long tail of manufacturing here in the UK.